So with differentials, we've got that delta x and dx are the same, and that delta y and dy are close but not exactly the same. So first of all, I'm going to do this one, find delta y. So that just means you've got two y values, then find the difference. So the two y values come from, well, here's the original x value, and then x got changed by 1. So for delta y, use that x equals that x is going from a 1 to a 2, or a 2 to the 1, and then find the difference. So we'd have the square root of 2 minus the square root of 1. That's the change in the y values. So if the x's go from 2 to 1, then the y's go from square root of 2 to square root of 1. So I believe that's a 0.414. The square root of 2 minus a 1 is 0.414. Okay, so that's basically using algebra. And now use calculus to find dy. So we'd have dy means take the derivative, and the derivative of the square root of x is 1 over 2 times the square root of x, and then times dx. Now, as I said, the delta x and the dx are the same, so that means put in a 1 for dx, and x is equal to a 1. So dy is equal to 1 over 2 square root of 1 times 1, which is 1/2, so that's a 0.5. And so whenever the x increment is really small, if this are really small, then these two would be extremely close. And here it's not off by much though.